This is your statewide newscast, Arkansas Today.
Welcome back, our friend Michael Silva-Nash with Molly Maid here again with another helpful household tip. And today we're talking about alternatives for these yummy smelling dryer sheets.
Yes, so usually when we come on here, we toss a lot of different ideas and a lot of different tips and a lot of different tools. But today we're going to focus on one, which is they're really friendly and something that everyone should have around the house. Dryer sheets. Dryer sheets can be really helpful for a number of things. To begin with, you could use it to remove dog hair or fuzz or things from pillows and upholstery and couches and sofas and things like that. Even rugs, it really helps remove that away from the pillows. So that's a very helpful tip with dryer sheets.
You could probably use it on your clothes too.
Yes, you can use it on your clothes, and actually you can put it on you during the summertime or when you start getting more mosquitoes out. It actually helps repel mosquitoes and other bugs away from you. So you just keep one in your pocket or on your belt loop or something like that to repel the mosquitoes and other bugs away.
Sometimes I do that accidentally because they're stuck on my pants from the dryer.
And when you do have used ones, something else that you can do is you can use them on baseboards, on blinds, on ceiling fan blades, and just wipe it real lightly when they're used, and that static cling that helps remove from the clothes will actually help repel dust away. So it helps you refreshen the smell around the house, but it also helps repel dust, which would have you dusting less often.
Nice.
Yes, that's another tip that we have.
Great.
Something else that you can do with dryer sheets is keep the house smelling real nice. Is just put it on the air filter. Put a couple on the air filter, or put a couple on the vacuum when you're working with the vacuum on the filter of the vacuum, or put one inside the vacuum bag, and that helps that smell also going around the house while you work or while your AC or your heat is working at your home.
Fantastic. Well, you know, and it seems like we're getting that little touch of spring right now, and so it's the sort of the mildew and hot smell, so this would help alleviate that.
Yes, and that does help. Something else that they help is you can actually put them, if you're out of Swiffer pads, you can use them on Swiffer. They do a great job of picking up dirt and other dirty things around the house that are really small. What happens is the small holes in the dryer sheet actually helps pick up fine grains, which helps with the hair, and also with flour or any kind of other powdery substance that helps pick up things real nicely around the house.
Awesome. All right. And we kept talking about the scent. It just leaves that nice little extra freshness. All right. Well, thank you so much for being with us this afternoon. We appreciate it. And all of our homes are going to be smelling so nice after this. All right. Pat will have another check at our forecast coming up when we come back.